Last year, we walked from Florence to Assisi, which is where we are now.
We came in that way.
Through the hills and the valleys and the mountains with record heat. It was hot, it was difficult, and it was amazing. Views that took our breaths away. I'm Michelle.
I'm Brian.
And we are cruising with the Comans.
And this year, we're walking that way.
So we're walking all the way to Rome. It's about the same distance that we did last year, but this year we're walking half of it by ourselves, and then for the second half, we're picking up a group of 9 pilgrims.
Today, we're going to be walking on Mount Subasio, which is right there behind us, and we're hoping to find out a way to avoid going all the way to the top.
We're pretty good at that if you don't know by now.
Good morning, Michelle. Are you ready to say goodbye to our lovely room here in Assisi?
I mean, I'm only ready to say goodbye to it because I'm ready to get this party started, but I am tired. I am not acclimated to the time change. Yesterday was like a magical day where we slept in and wandered. Today we have to work. I don't know why we do this to ourselves in the summer. That's what I say on my second day. But it's going to be a good day.
Let's get to work. Andiamo.
Oh, gosh. You guys are going to hear that all summer long, every morning.
What's it mean?
Let's go.
All right, time to get this party started. Michelle, which way do we go?
Of course, it's the Camino. We go uphill. And I think it's the other way.
The hardest part of getting started is always finding the markers in a town especially. There it is, on the side of the plaza, the red and white sticker. But in that whole plaza, you really have to know where to look for them.
We see our first sign leading to Rome. It usually tells you like the next couple of towns, and then your final destination doesn't have anything, which I always think is funny.
Today, Spello, which is where we're going.
Yes, Spello is our destination for today. This is a bigger city, but yeah, our first real sign. We don't expect to see too many. We are walking on day 1 of our pilgrimage to Rome. We just left Assisi and got out of the crowds, which is lovely.
I think now we're kind of in the suburbs of Assisi, I guess we'll say.
We could call it that. I don't know how intelligent we are. But we're walking through the suburbs, if it is, for a little while.
Here we go, 2 kilometers down, 245 kilometers to go.
Okay.
How you feel, Michelle?
I'm feeling energized. Do I look it?
Give us a little hop and a skip. Wow.
Don't ask too much. Yesterday, I thought it would be smart to run uphill, and my body said, oh no, honey, we walk uphill, we don't run, and my knees were like achy for an hour or so afterwards. It's all good, it's all good. We're going downhill right now. We could have taken the mountain route.
Mountain route, yeah, we'd be probably already almost to the top.
Here's the ridiculous part. Some of the people that are watching this video thought that we would. You all don't know us very well. So let's get to know Brian and Michelle. Number 1, we love what we're doing.
We do.
Number 1.
We don't love every minute of it though.
Every minute of it can be hard, especially because we walk. This is June, okay? It's not bad right now, but it can be very hot. So we take smart detours. We take smart routes. If we climb the elevation, we're doing it for a couple of good reasons. 1, most importantly, because we have to. Number 2,
it's the only route.
Yeah, I think that's the same thing as number 1.
Oh yeah.
But I want to enjoy the day, and there are plenty of views, because the reason you go up there is for views of Assisi and, you know, just the landscape. Well, we've had plenty of views and landscape, and we got plenty of hills ahead of us. So
the next thing you should learn about us is that there's going to be camera errors like that.
I know, I was like, what are you doing?
We are far from perfect.
We are, but we have a good time when we're out here, and we like to bring you along for all the ridiculousness, all the fun, and all the beauty.
Hey, we're officially leaving Assisi.
And we're climbing a hill.
There it is.
So who needs a mountain when you got hills everywhere? So, funny story. This bush that you're seeing here and you're seeing here, it's everywhere. But we had never heard of this before. What's it called, Brian?
Spanish broom is the common name.
Okay, never heard of this flower before. It grows wild all over Spain and Italy, probably more places. And before we walked our first Camino, we happened to be at the hardware store and we saw this plant that we were like, oh, this is really cool. Let's get this and put it in a planter outside. Got it, didn't know what it was back then. Like I said, had never seen it before. And then we go on our very first Camino and we see it like we're seeing it now, even more so. It was everywhere in Spain. And I feel like we laughed across the entire country as we just planted this little tiny bush, if you will. It wasn't even a bush. I don't know. What would you call it, Brian?
It's a small bush.
Little tiny plant in our house. And it's growing wild all over a country. And we still laugh today because we see it all over Spain and Italy.
And long before we ever see it, we smell it because it has a really strong, sweet flower smell.
Brian likes it, I don't.
We've been walking very consistently through olive groves. You can see here, I don't know when the olive harvest is, but they are teeny tiny, barely even olives right now. Those are about the size, like half of a grain of rice. And the olives in this region are all for olive oil. These are not eating olives, they're oil olives.
Look at them all down this hillside.
But yeah, we're just surrounded by groves, going down into the valley floor and all the way up to the top of the mountain. We haven't had many clear shots of the mountain route, but it's somewhere up there.
Probably about halfway up.
And I am glad we are not on it.
This is hilly enough.
This is rolling hills. It's very comfortable to walk.
Yes.
We got to our big hill of the day. Fortunately, it's downhill.
Yay!
We are heading down to the valley floor now.
Ooh, hold on. My calves say, what? This is steep.
And you can see in the foreground the valley floor, so you see how far we've got to go down. I think it's about 300 meters total of elevation.
It's been a beautiful walk so far, though.
We made it.
We made it like yesterday, though.
Well, it's the next day, but it's
You know
snow.
how they know, because we're not in the same clothes.
Well, sometimes we do an outro after we've taken a shower and cleaned up.
Do you care that we have showered and cleaned up?
Day number 1 is in the books. Pretty good day.
It was a good day, yeah.
Except for the little mishap at the ending. So at the ending, we had to have our luggage delivered to a different location because the streets were already closed, so they couldn't get the car into here to deliver the luggage.
It's the biggest downside of using luggage service, but I will tell you that it is so worth luggage service. But yesterday was rough for that reason.
We picked the luggage up at the bar where it was being held, and then Google Maps got kind of mixed up because big stone buildings and Google Maps on satellite don't really work together well. So we ended up walking an extra 1.5 kilometers.
Brian was dragging both suitcases.
Both suitcases, at one point through gravel.
I was having a pretty rough afternoon. At that point, I was just done. And I don't know if you are this way, but when I'm done, I'm done.
And those are the kind of moments that we should record.
We should.
We should record that.
There was no way it was going to happen.
I was so mad.
I got in and took a 3-hour nap. I mean, I was that exhausted. Part of it is just still the time change. And we know how much we struggle with it. We hope you enjoyed the views. We hope you enjoyed the scenery. And most importantly, we hope you enjoy Spello because it cast a spello on me.
Oh, that was bad. Give her a thumbs down.
Don't do that.
Not the thumbs down button, just in the comments. Hey, so
or say you like Michelle's cheesy humor.
Thanks for watching, and make sure that you do check out the rest of this series. And we're gonna let you go today with some views of the Infiorata. I think I just said that wrong, but it's the festival of the flowers for Corpus Christi, and we will. That's how we're gonna take you out today.